Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Dane Hilin Miranda Takatani, 35 years old, from Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I am married but we are separated. I have no kids. I have two siblings, one brother and one sister. This is the first time applying abroad, but here in the Philippines, I have 6 years experience being a housemaid. From March 2019 to March 2022, I serve one woman older. My other duty is to cooking, cleaning, washing her clothes, and ironing. And also, from February 2022 to February 2023 to February 2026, I served three members of the family, one couple and 3 years old child. My other duty is to cooking, cleaning, washing their clothes, and ironing. And I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the one of the safe country. Hong Kong is the near of the Philippines and the employer is follow the rules and regulation of the government. And to my future employer, if you give me a chance to become your housemaid, I promise I will do my best. I am hardworking, trustworthy, responsible, and I'm willing to work with you with my whole contract or more. Thank you.